How are you? Your teacher here, Teacher Nyorenda. Let's look at this question. Last year's paper, as you can see, this year's paper 2025, paper 2, GCE. Okay, for tuitions, for those writing next year, this year, exam revisions, grade 10, grade 12, grade 9s, these are the numbers for WhatsApp, this line, for course, this line here. Please allow me to attempt this question together. Okay, so this, it's saying for geometric, for the geometric progression, that is means a sequence, is 60, 30, 15. Find the sixth term. Now, geometric progression, this question always comes in paper 2. Paper 2. Then arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence comes in paper 1. Okay, this is it. Just repeat the same concept. Very, very, very simple. Let's look at this question. Okay, so let's answer. You have 60, 30, 15. What's the first question? The first question is saying find the sixth term. Find the sixth term. I'll put number 1. Find T6 in short. Find term number 6. Term number 6. So to find the nth term of the sequence, there's a formula that we use under geometric progression. Geometric progression, first thing and foremost, there's T1 here, there's T2 here, there's T3 here. What defines geometric progression? It is the common ratio R. First, we find the common ratio. How do you find the common ratio? We say T2 divided by T1. At this particular moment, T2 is 30 over T1, it is 60. Those having calculators, you can, when you punch 30 divided by 60, we're going to have 0.5. So R in this case is 0.5. For geometric progression, the common R is the common ratio. That's what defines geometric progression. So on the formula is ARN minus 1. That's the formula to use. So at this moment, there's here a 6, meaning on N you replace a 6. So I'm going to say T6 equal to A is the first term. At the first term here, as you can see, it is 60. So A is 60. R, it is this one, common ratio 0.5. So this is the formula. You need to master this formula. You need to know it. Then N is the number of terms. And this question A, it is 6. So where this N, you put 6 minus 1. Okay. Then you have T6 equal to, you have a 60, open bracket, 0.5, close bracket, 6 minus 1, we have a 5. Now, the way we do this question, a lot of people make mistakes because they say 60 times 0.5, which is quite wrong, which is very, very wrong. What do we do? First thing, we need to deal with the brackets according to order of operation. So you're going to have T6 equal to 60. Allow me to work at 0.5 power 5. 0.5 power 5 means 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, 5 times. For those having calculation calculator or scientific calculators, you can just punch 0.5 power 5. It will give you a direct answer. So having those calculators, when you punch 0.5 power 5, it will give you 0.03125. 0.03125. Having this, allow me to simplify. T6 is equal to 60 times 0.03125. The answer will give you 1.875. Those having calculators, you can comment. You can kindly confirm and comment in the comment section. So for sixth term, what we're going to have is 1.875. Now, without wasting time, allow me to, this is the answer. You have 2 marks. Find the geometric mean. So for number 2, to find the geometric mean is also very simple. Geometric mean is abbreviated by G, stand for geometric, M, mean. The formula is square root A multiplied by C. Meaning the geometric mean, it is the B on the middle. So how do you find geometric mean? Remember, don't forget to put plus or minus here this moment. Here. Then we say plus or minus square root. In this case, we have 2 terms. There's 15 and here. There's 15 and this is our A. This is our B. So what is our A here? A is what? 15 multiplied by this 15 here. That's our A. Our B is 3.75. So A is 15, B is 3.75. So B is 3.75. So equal to geometric mean plus or minus. When you punch, for those having calculators, you can punch 15 times 3.75. What are we having? We are going to have 56.25. Then geometric mean, we'll say plus or minus. What's the square root of 56.75? 56.25. The answer will give you 7.5. Meaning geometric mean can be positive 7.5 or negative 7.5. This is the answer for question 2. Now, without wasting time, let's look at sum to infinity. Sum to infinity. How do you find sum to infinity? Sum to infinity. This question, sum to infinity. Sum to infinity, there's a formula, and it is being provided on the first page of the exams. So sum to infinity, you put S. The symbol infinity, it is a sleeping 8. The formula, it is A 1 minus R, which is common ratio. Now we know that A we have the first term is 60. R we have the common ratio is 0.5. So this is simple to work out. These are marks you're supposed to get on the final exams. So what is our A? Our A is 60 over R. Okay, 1 minus R is 0.5. 1 minus R is 0.5. So sum to infinity is equal to 60 over 1 minus 0.5. You get a 0.5. Confirm those having calculators. Sum to infinity is equal to 60 divided by 0.5. In short, just never, dividing any number divided by 0.5, which is half. You just double the number on top, which is 120. Okay, for more questions, please, you are free to kindly inbox in the comment section. Don't forget, for tuition, if you have any relative, a friend or a sister, anything, these are the numbers to catch me. Enjoy the lesson. Thank you.